on, Dad. I'm coming.
This hour-long kids movie was made in less than 5 minutes using one single sentence. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly the same. No animators, no studio, just AI. I'm going to show you the one sentence that I used to create this entire kids movie. And the crazy part, you can make consistent characters in any style and in any type of world that you want. And people are charging from a few $100s to multiple thousands of dollars for stories like this on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Facebook groups. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create Hollywood-level kids movies and use the one advantage that puts you ahead of 99% of all people selling these videos online. The AI tool that I'm using is called MagicLight. It's built specifically for creating cinematic kids movies with consistent characters. And in this video, MagicLight is letting me give away over $4,000 worth of subscriptions, 4 annual subscriptions and 8 monthly subscriptions. To enter, all you have to do is leave a nice little comment below, and I'm going to be picking winners directly from the comment section. I'll tell you more about the contest towards the end of the video, but for now, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create these types of videos. Watch this. We head on over to the MagicLight website. We click on Kid Story Video. We type a single sentence in the box, adjust a few settings, and then click Generate. It creates a full Hollywood-style kids movie in under 5 minutes. But wait, this is the part that most people mess up. You're not going to be able to sell this kids movie for thousands of dollars. Can you generate Hollywood-style kids movies in under 5 minutes? Yes, absolutely you can. But if you want to sell these videos for $500, $1,000, $6,000 plus, the type of money that people are already making on Fiverr and Upwork, let me show you exactly how to do this in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, you're going to go to MagicLight.ai, go to Story to Video, and click Create. You're going to type the prompt that you want to use, and don't worry if you don't know anything about prompting, MagicLight does all the heavy lifting for you. Once we have our sentence, we come down to Expansion and click on it. It immediately takes our one sentence and transforms it into an entire kid story. Once we have our story, we're going to choose the aspect ratio. Let's go with landscape, then the video language. I'm going to stick with English. Then we choose our story model. And I always recommend you choose Gemini 3 because it's the most powerful AI model in the entire world currently. We're going to stick with MagicLight 2.0 for the style model. And as you see below here, there are so many different styles of animations that we can pick. But for now, I'm going to go with 3D cartoon. Now is where it starts to get very fun. We can choose our duration, anywhere from 3 minutes all the way up to 50 minutes long. MagicLight allows us to create entire kids movies close to 1 hour long. We're going to click on Confirm and then click on Next. Step number 2 is to choose our consistent characters. Now, it's automatically generated our characters for us, but if we don't like them, we can choose between 10,000 different characters on the platform. Or if we're making a kids movie for a family and they want it to be about their specific child, their nephew, or even their dog or cat, we can upload a picture of their family member and MagicLight will transform it into any style cartoon that you want. And in just a few minutes, MagicLight created hundreds of scenes with consistent characters across every single one of them. But we're not done yet. Step number 3 is the step that separates the amateurs from the pros. Watch this. Yes, we can take the easy route, click on Next, and then animate all of the scenes at the same time, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do something that separates us from the rest of the people who are making these types of kids videos and selling them online. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go from scene to scene and perfect each one. MagicLight has Nano Banana Pro, which is the most powerful AI image editor in the entire world, built right into the platform. We can instantly change clothes, we can remove objects, we can change the expression, change the angle of the scene, and we can literally add or change any single thing that we want in any of the scenes in our movie in the click of a button. Once we're done, we click on Next, animate all, and then we're going to choose our cover settings, our subtitle settings, and finally our background music. And then we're going to click Generate. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that you have one advantage that 99% of people selling these videos online do not have. And that advantage is quality and speed. Let me explain. You see, people selling these types of kids videos and movies on Fiverr and Upwork often have low quality animation And their delivery time is anywhere from 30 days to 45 days. But you, on the other hand, you can make hour-long kids movies in any animation style that you want in under 5 minutes. Checkmate. And speaking of MagicLight, they just announced something that is absolutely insane. Check this out.
MagicLight's first content creation contest, 100 grand? Enough!
You're fired! You're fired! You're fired!
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
You're fired! You're hired.
Okay, so MagicLight is giving away $100,000 in cash and prizes, and I'm personally giving away $4,000 in MagicLight subscriptions, 4 annual subscriptions and 8 monthly subscriptions. To enter to win, all you have to do is comment below, any comment, and I'll be picking winners directly from the comments section. I'll drop all the official details and links at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. Now, let me show you the top 3 places to sell these videos to start making money with MagicLight today. The first one is Facebook groups. Now, this is the easiest one to start. Join 5 to 10 groups in your city or region. Post one example video and say something like this. I just made this personalized story for my niece. I'm taking 2 custom orders this week. DM me if interested. You'll get 10 to 20 messages within the first 48 hours. I'm not even exaggerating. Parents eat this stuff up. Number 2, Fiverr and Upwork. Yes, there's competition on these platforms, but check this out. People are selling these types of kids animation stories from a couple $100 all the way up to $16,000. The market is massive. And your advantage? Well, sellers on Fiverr and Upwork are taking anywhere from 30 to 45 days to deliver. If you put delivery time of 24 to 48 hours in your title, you stand out from the rest. And let's be honest, in 2026, people want everything right now. Place number 3, local preschool and daycare centers. This is the goldmine that most people miss. They buy these videos for graduation gifts, fundraisers, classroom content, and year-end presents for the kids. One email to a preschool director can land you 10, 15, 20 orders all at once. That's $5,000 to $15,000 from a single client. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned that we can create Hollywood-style kids movies in less than 5 minutes from a single sentence. We also now know that we stand ahead of 99% of all people selling these videos online for thousands of dollars because we can bring better quality and faster results. You are the early adopter. You are the 1% of the, you know what? No, less than that. You are less than 1% of the world who knows that this technology exists. All the money is made in the early adopter stage. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin or crypto or stocks or new technology. If you're early to the game, you are 1,000 times more likely to make money than everyone else who shows up late. This is your shot. I don't want you to look back in 5 years and say to yourself, God, I wish I had started an AI business. I wish I had started creating kid stories. It's 2026. This is your year to shine. It's your time to start making money, just to finally break free. And just a reminder, MagicLight is giving away $100,000 in cash and prizes in their contest. And I'm personally giving away $4,000 in MagicLight subscriptions. To enter, all you have to do is leave a nice little comment below, and I'm going to be picking random winners from the comment section. All right, guys, love you, and it's going to be a great year. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.